Hi there, and welcome to this video. I'm introduced myself because I'm pretty sure that you don't know me, because this is my first YouTube video showing my face. I'm Raul, creator of RG Ambition. But what is RG Ambition? You are going to discover it during this video. At first, if you want to know or read more about me, you can find some information in the description of this video down below. There, you can check out some of my articles and a cool interview. To summarize, I'm an electronic engineer passionate about new technology. I especially love night vision cameras. And at the time of recording this video, apart from the RG Ambition project, I'm working on my computer vision PhD. But what RG Ambition is, you may be wondering. Well, it's my personal company project with a clear mission. We want to bring into your life infrared cameras and computer vision. At this moment, I have developed 6 Android infrared camera apps for specific devices. Most of them free apps. I'm going to quickly review all of them. Let's go! The first one is the Xiaomi infrared camera app. This free app allows you to access the facial recognition camera of 3 devices: Xiaomi Poco F1, Xiaomi Mi 8 and Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro. But why only these 3 devices? Well, because it is a hardware constraint. We need a specific camera to capture the near infrared light to obtain a real night vision camera. Don't worry if you don't get me, because we will learn more about this awesome technology in the next videos. You can find the link to this awesome free app in the description. Let's check it out and demonstrate it is not fake. Here I have the Xiaomi Mi 8 device, and we have the free version. Let's open the app. Boom! Here we go. For those who ask me about seeing through plastic, here you have this example, and you can see that infrared light must penetrate the material. And well, with this TV remote control, we can see through this material. Please, if you have one of these devices, check your MIUI version, because if you have one of the first versions, you'll need to root your device. And I don't recommend rooting your device. If I were you, I would adapt it to MIUI 11 or next versions. Here we have the Poco F1, and in this case, I'm going to show you the Pro version. And again, boom, here we go. With this Pro version, you can support my channel, and also you are going to obtain cool features as the spy video recording in background. Let me introduce our second app, the Pixel Infrared Camera. It has been especially designed for the facial recognition infrared camera of the Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL. Let's check it out. Here we have the free version and the Pro version. Let's open the free version first. Boom! There we go. And the Pro version, same result. You have all the information and the links down below. And now let's take a look to our third app. But first, wait! You have to subscribe to this channel to be part of this awesome community, the RG Ambitioners. We want you. This third Android app is the OnePlus Photochrome camera, only useful for the OnePlus 8 Pro devices. As you probably know, this infrared camera was hidden by the OnePlus company. I don't know why, because it's awesome. But thanks to this video, you can recover your OnePlus Photochrome infrared camera in a free and easy way. Boom, just in a second. Or You can use our app and follow this other tutorial, but you need to root your device. And as I told you previously, I don't recommend you rooting your device unless you have experience in this kind of process. And again, we are able to see through some plastics. But please, it's not an X-ray device. That would be dangerous for our health. As we have learned, we capture near infrared light, not other kinds of electromagnetic radiation. Finally, to finish the RGM Vision app summary, last but not least, I'm very proud to introduce our own universal thermal camera device, the RGM Vision Thermal Cam 1. In this case, it's an external device that captures middle and far infrared radiation for every Android in the market. I have designed the electronics, this beautiful black case with a matte metal finish, and of course the Android app. To obtain your RGM Vision Thermal Camera 1, you have to follow these 4 easy steps. Number 1. Visit rgmvision.com and purchase the RGM Vision Thermal Cam 1. Don't worry if right now it's not available in your country. You can contact me via email, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, whatever, and we will send it to you without shipping cost. Number 2. You will receive this cute box without any plastic waste. As you can see, RGM Vision always taking care of our planet. Number 3. You have to download the application with the QR code here or here. Here. Number 4. Plug your RGM Vision Thermal Cam 1 and wait. Boom! Here we go. You can measure your facial temperature. You can change the temperature units. For example, and you can select your favorite palette. Well, oh, this one is awesome. You can use a pointer. Ooh. And number 5. Enjoy your RGM Vision Thermal Cam 1. Very easy. Thank you very much for being here. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave a comment with your opinion, because right now I'm answering all your comments. And thank you very much again. See you in the next videos. Bye.